What if I told you that the secret to glowing, useful skin is sitting right in your kitchen? Forget expensive creams filled with chemicals. Today, I am going to show you how to make 100% natural carrot cream that can completely transform your skincare routine. It's rich in antioxidants, deeply hydrating, and it actually works. Hi, beautiful princess. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I'm Amira, and today we are diving into a magical DIY that's perfect for glowing, nourished skin. We are making natural carrot cream using just 4 simple ingredients. And trust me, your skin will thank you. At first, we should know the benefits of carrot cream. It brightens the dull skin because carrot cream is rich in beta carotene and antioxidants that help revive tired, dull looking skin and give it a natural glow. It has anti aging power because carrots contain vitamin E that reduces fine lines and wrinkles by stimulating collagen production, keeping your skin youthful and firm. It fades dark spots and scars. Carrot cream regular use can help in treatment of hyperpigmentation, sunspots, and acne scars. It deeply nourishes and moisturizes your skin because it contains sweet almond oil and aloe vera. Carrot cream delivers intense hydration to your skin. With regular use, it smooths rough patches, even out skin tone, and leaves the skin soft, radiant, and healthy looking. In order to make carrot cream, of course, we need carrots. Carrots contain beta carotene and vitamin E, which help repair skin tissue and reduce signs of aging. They also brighten dull skin and improve overall the skin health. We will use sweet almond oil. As you know, sweet almond oil is rich in vitamin E and fatty acids that deeply moisturize and soften the skin. It's a lightweight oil and it helps in treatment of dark spots and hyperpigmentation. We will use aloe vera gel in order to make the carrot cream. Aloe vera gel has soothing and hydrating ability. It calms irritation and it refreshes the skin. It also supports healing, especially for sensitive or acne-prone skin, and gives a natural glow. And the fourth ingredient is vitamin E. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects the skin from the harmful effect of free radicals. In order to make the carrot cream, we need 1 or 2 fresh carrots. Wash the carrots, peel them, and grate them finely. Spread the grated carrots on a clean tray and leave it under the sun for 1 or 2 days to fully dry. Or, if you are in a rush, you can use the oven until the carrots are dehydrated. Now, put the carrots into a clean, dry, sterilized jar. Pour in sweet almond oil until the carrots are fully covered. Seal the jar well and let it sit for 1 or 2 weeks. Don't forget to shake it gently every day. This will create your carrot infused oil. After 2 weeks, strain the carrot infused oil. In a clean, dry mixing bowl, put 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Then add 3 tablespoons of sweet almond oil and 3 to 4 drops of vitamin E. Mix well the carrot cream until the texture becomes creamy and smooth. You can now transfer your carrot cream into a clean, dry, sterilized jar. You should store the cream in the fridge. It's good to use for 7 to 10 days. You can apply it to your face, neck, hands, or even your entire body if you like. And don't forget, you should apply skin brightening carrot cream on a clean skin for best results. If you found this video helpful, give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends who love natural skincare. The princess, don't forget to subscribe for more powerful DIY recipes that actually works, and tell me in the comments which ingredients are you most excited to try. See you in the next video, and remember, your glow starts from nature. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.